Good morning, everyone. It's Melissa from Little Kosher Lunch. This morning we're making lunch and the baby is off to my side eating her breakfast. We had a delicious baked cod dish last night and I hope to get that video off to you soon. I did a baked fish dish and steamed rice and veggies. So this morning, since I have some dried seaweed on hand, I'm going to go ahead and put a sheet of seaweed, which I have out here, with a little spread out layer of rice that I've warmed in the microwave with a little bit of rice wine vinegar. We're gonna lay a piece of fish on, some cut up veggies, and I wanna show you how quick it is to make a little sushi roll for your lunchbox. So I'm gonna stand up and grab my supplies and I'll assemble this for you right now. I'll have to put my coffee away. All right. Okay, so as you can see, I have a nice little sushi sheet here. You can moisten all of it, or I like to just get the edge moistened and we'll see if it needs more liquid. This is just a little water here. I have my steamed rice. I warmed it in the microwave so it's a little bit stickier. I spread a nice thin layer. More cottage cheese. Okay, here is one sort of finger-sized piece of the cod, and I'll see if I can fit maybe one other little piece in. There we go. I have gone ahead and I thinly sliced some carrots and cucumbers. I'm going to scatter those on right next to the fish just to have some color and crunch in there. And then the secret ingredient for my daughter when eating fish is tartar sauce. And this is just a homemade tartar sauce of mayonnaise and chopped up kosher dill pickles. So I do a little layer inside my sushi roll, and she likes some on the side instead of soy sauce. Okay. I'm probably gonna make a sushi roll for myself for my lunch later, and I have leftover steamed asparagus, and that would be really nice in a sushi roll next to your fish as well. For this child, my youngest child loves asparagus. For this one, I'm gonna leave the asparagus out. So I'm just gonna pick up my one side of the seaweed paper and begin rolling and tucking. I'm gonna get as tight a roll as I can. It's rather inelegant. I'm gonna rinse my hands real quick. Hi, sweetie. Okay, and then again, I'm gonna take a little bit of water and moisten the other edge and then seal it all up, and then we can slice. If you're doing a skinnier roll with less stuffing in it, sometimes I'll take a knife and just chop the tail end of this excess seaweed paper off, but since it's not too excessive, I'm just gonna roll it up and use the whole thing today. Okay, a little more water to get a good seal there. Okay, so now I have a chef's knife or another big knife, and I'm gonna firmly hold it. I like to cut in half first. There you can see my cute little sushi roll, and then I go ahead and cut into some smaller pieces. All right. There you have it. It's really easy to make sushi at home. All you need is a little bit of seaweed paper from the Asian section of your market, or you can order it on Amazon. and just leftovers. So steamed rice and fish is a great dinner to make. Keep some veggies on hand. Roll up your own sushi for your lunchbox. If you liked this video, we have lots of other lunch ideas and family meal planning on Little Kosher Lunch. You can visit my blog or please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your comments below. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.